Hello. Today I'm underneath the Ford Escape. Well, actually the Mercury Mariner. 2008. How you doing today? Here I am down on the ground. I hate being on the ground. But you can see it's a beautiful sunny day and almost 50 degrees here in Michigan, which is great weather for early March. And of course, it's that time of the year with the potholes and everything. The exhaust pipe broke. And this is the factory exhaust system, I think, still on this car. It's a 2008. And I've had it for 3 years. I've never had to change anything on it before. Well, I did patch this once before. But I wanted to show you guys how to quickly and easily save some money and patch up the exhaust systems on these Escapes and Mariners. And this is a hybrid model, but it's the same system, probably even the same size exhaust pipe on the other ones. I'm not 100% sure, but what we've got here is 2-inch diameter exhaust pipe. That's the outside diameter on these pipes, is 2 inches. And this is a common spot where they get a lot of tension on them and they finally break off from metal fatigue and wear and tear over the years. You can see there's not a lot of hangers on this rear part of the pipe. There's like one pivot hanger and the thing just kind of like bounces a lot right here and flexes right at this point. This is, I guess, the fulcrum point where it flexes at. So what I do is I got the tailpipe stuck back under the bumper. I gotta fix that, but this will swing up closer to this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get 2 adapters, and I'm gonna slide one adapter over here, then a fitting between the two is gonna slide over here. So it's gonna do 2 pieces. One goes over each end, and then they go together. And it's simple. Let me see, I've actually got the parts right here. Let me show you. Here's my parts. I've got 2 adapters. These were about $3 a piece, $2.95 a piece at my local auto parts store. And what I did is I got the 2 1/4 inside by 2 inch inside. And the 2 inch inside is important because that's what's going to slip over this. You need one that's 2 inch ID to fit over each end of this. And then you need some offset in the middle so you can connect the 2 pieces together. 2 inch ID, which is going to slip on over here. And the bigger end is 2 1/4 ID. And this one here is 2 inch ID, which is going to slip over this end. And it's 2 1/4 OD, which means that the OD is going to slide. The OD, the red one, is going to slide into the ID, which is the green one, and they're going to fit together nice and perfectly like that. So I'm going to slide those together as far as they'll go. Then I'm going to clamp them in the middle. I'm going to slide one end over this side and put a clamp on it, and one end over this side and put a clamp on it. And this exhaust system is going to be as good as new, probably for at least another year or 2, as long as nothing else breaks. And the whole thing cost me, I say, $6 for the 2 fittings, and $7.50 for 3 clamps, so that's $13.50. And the whole process here took about a half hour to do. And there it is. All tightened up, ready to go for another year or so, I would think. That's how long it lasted last time I patched it. And I say it's not the professional way to do it, but it certainly is acceptable, and it saved a ton of money because this is still the original exhaust system. And if I were to start replacing the tailpipe on it, I would have to take more and more parts all the way up front until I got to the flange. So I'd have to basically replace from the flex pipe all the way back. And I had it back together in less than a half hour for about $13. If you can do it yourself, certainly something like this you can do yourself, save some money, and feel good about getting your car back on the road in no time at all. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys will like and share these videos if you find them useful, because I enjoy doing them, and I enjoy it when I get the good comments about it. And yeah, I don't even mind the bad comments once in a while, because a lot of times they have some truth to them. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.